What's going on? Your boy back with another video, and today, as you can see, I'm going to be removing the Aerocaps off the wheels. It's real simple. It's just two little push tabs you push in. Gets more closer to the rubber on the wheel. You'll feel it with your fingers. Just push those two tabs in, you do each spoke, and then it should just pop right off. But yeah, I'm going to do that on all four wheels, and I'm going to install some mud flaps. So definitely stay tuned. It's going to be a good one. Way better to clean them on up. Couldn't go out like that. Sheesh. Now let's get to installing these mud flaps. Okay, got everything laid out. They are luckily labeled. Front right, rear right, front left, rear left. Manual. Extra screws, rivets, whatever. And come to the flathead. Let's get straight to it. That's pretty much what you want to do. Focus it in. See those little rivet points. Pretty much just gonna line it up just like this. Damn, that's what it look like. But so you just gotta take out those three. 1, 2, and 3. Rivets right there, you can see. Take your flathead and pop them out. Boom. That's one. Let me pop them out. A little hard to do one hand. Okay, got those popped out. Real simple. Just pull them straight out. Now you just line up your mud flat and pop your pins back in for real. So that lines up with the holes. Bang. Bang and ding. Just pop the pins back in and we all good to go. Alright guys, and this is the front one installed. This is real simple. You do is really just push it back in. Might take a little bit of force, because now it's a little bit extra thick of a layer. But we in there, we solid. That's what it looks like with it on. Even without it. So without it, and with it. Got these off Amazon. So you know, it'll protect all of this part. See if we got any damage on here. Got almost 5,000 miles. Okay, no damage. Paint's still good. So yep, just got it in the nick of time. So that's just to protect your paint. We're out on the street is Tesla's paint down here from all the rock chips and rusts. So just to prevent that. Alright, now I'm install the back, and yeah, I think the back's gonna be a little bit different. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do this other side, and then I'm gonna work on the back, show you guys. Process is a little slightly different. Okay, so yeah, for the red, look like it's only one of these little push pin things. So let's pop that out. Oh, hold on, let me get on camera. in there just like that. And just gotta put the thing back in. So let me put the pin back in and I'll show you. Alrighty, we all done. All installed. You know, most of these I just reuse the old clips that the Tesla came with, but they do come with longer clips, which I had to use on this side. Yes sir, we all clipped in. We all good to go. Sturdy. What you guys think? Front end deck installed. Kind of go with the little diffuser joint, you know, kind of bring it all together for real. Low-key, almost like one piece. Yes sir, guys. I guess that's it. Nice little simple install. Showed you guys how to remove the Aerocaps. So yeah, you feel me? Rocking a new look, not gonna new look on the Tesla, you know. Not bad, not bad. What you guys think? I just gotta get some little center caps for that. Then it should be good, G. Other than that, what you guys think? We rocking, coming along. I think so. But yeah, guys, I guess that'll be it. Till next time.